Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your iPhone from virus. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we have checked the infection. As you can see, there are many spam calendar notification in my iPhone. So you can see it. How to fix it? First of all, open settings. Scroll down, type on calendar, and now type on accounts. Here is the subscribe calendar event. Type it again, and delete it. After deleting account, go back to the home screen and check now. As you can see, there are no spam virus, so it's clean. Enjoy your phone. Thanks for watching.